the snow is crazy, man. Oh my god, what is she doing? Oh no, now she just realized, oh, she cannot see back. Now she know it. You see that? It's so funny. Oh my god. Yeah, here. Oh, by the way, I work at Tesla right here. Oh, she cannot. It is not working. I mean, the belt wiper is not working. That's why she's trying to clean it up. See? In the middle of the road, she had to stop here. Well, you guys won't believe it. It's the snow we have a lot right here, though, man. Hopefully, we don't have a lot tomorrow. This morning, we have snow is like about 4 or 5 inches. It's not a lot. I mean, compared to 2023. Oh no, it's not 2022. In 2022, we had like 5 feet of snow, and everybody cannot go out. I mean, a lot of